In this video I'm going to show you how to start page number from a specific page. So as you can see, I've got this document over here and I want to insert page numbers. They are not there at this moment. So to insert the page numbers you need to go to Insert, Page Number over here. And here you can choose where you want to place your page numbers. So you can place them at the top, at the bottom. And let's say I want to have them at the bottom of the page in the right corner. And now as you can see, the page numbers has been added. So this is page 1, and now I've got page 0 over here. But I don't want to have this 0 on the first page, so you need to open the footer. Then you go to header and footer in the menu, and then you need to select different first page. So select that, and now you see that the 0 is gone. So we still have the 1 over here, and 2. And now you've added page numbers to your document and starting from the second page. But I can imagine that you don't want to start from the second page because this is the list of contents and we want to have the first page over here. So to do that I've removed the page numbers and I'm going to show you another method. And what you can do is you need to go to Home and we want to go to the format settings over here, so the paragraphs. And then you see all those icons and page breaks. And to start from here with the page numbering, you need to add a section. So we're going to remove this page break over here. You can hit the backspace and then this was gone. And you'll see that the text from the third page just moved to the second page. And now what you need to do is you need to go to Layout in the menu. Then you go to Break and here you insert a next page. So under the section breaks you choose next page. And as you can see, this is a new section now. So we see a section break and that means that this is the first section and here starts the second section. So you can go back to Home and disable the format settings so you don't see all those icons anymore. And now we are going to the footer of the second section. And here we're going to add a text, so page for example. But if I do that you will see this text also in the first section over here and also on the third page. And that's not what we want, so go back to the third page. And this is happening because you will see same as previous over here in your footer. The text that we insert here is also visible in the first section and we don't want that. So what you need to do is you need to go to header and footer in the menu. And here you will see link to previous. So you really need to select the footer of your second section and then you need to disable link to previous. So the text over here is gone, as you can see. And now if you go to the third section, you can remove the text like this, and then it's gone. And here in the second section it is still visible. So now you can go to Insert and to Page Number over here, bottom of page or top of page, and I choose the right corner. And now we have the page number in the second section but not in the first section, as you can see. And what I've just saw is that it started at 0 and we don't want that. I go to Insert over here and then page number, and here you need to go to format page number and then you will see a dialog. And here it says that it starts at 0 but we want to start at 1. So insert 1, okay. And now as you can see the second section is the first page. Now in this document there are no page numbers on the first page, not on the second page, but we start on the third page and it starts at 1. And this is number 2. And here we have number 3. And this is how to start your page number from a specific page. Please leave a like if this video was helpful to you and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.